Start. Ladies and gentlemen, I am glad to take part in this National Film Festival. This function will, I am sure, remind us of the immense possibilities of this great living art. This is a medium which has grown from strength to strength in the past 4 decades. We find it is reaching new heights. This is no doubt an annual event. Nevertheless, its significance will always be felt so long as the need for assessment of human endeavor and its encouragement is recognized. The national awards certainly provide an incentive to the practitioners of this art to strive harder and reach greater heights. As a matter of fact, search for perfection is essential not only in the artistic field but in every sphere of life. This is the only way in which we can enrich our country and become a great nation. We all know of the impact of the cinema in the present day world. It has a unique position in modern society. Film is not only an art form but also technology and commerce. It therefore becomes necessary that all aspects are dealt with in an equal measure. Otherwise, there is every danger of a film becoming a consumer product or technical show. Fortunately, in our country, the cinema has made great progress on all fronts. You may be producing the larger number of films, but in my view, there is no enough. You should really try to produce a larger number of excellent films and take credit for it. The aim of giving national awards is to serve the cause of good cinema and to help production of films with a higher social value. Besides being a good experience to see such films, they will also serve the social purposes of spreading and awakening among the masses of the country. To my mind, films are only of two types, good and bad. Unfortunately, I am told that bad films outnumber good ones. Such a trend should be checked as early as possible and to the extent we can. Otherwise, they may damage the social fabric of the country. It is the duty of everyone concerned with this industry to keep this aspect in mind while producing films. There has also been a revival of interest in our ancient dance forms and music, and certainly it is a good promising sign. The captains of the film industry have to share the responsibility along with other sections in the country for encouraging the various forms of classical arts. I am aware that because of the state patronage, there is definitely a trend towards a better type of cinema. I would like this area to develop and enlarge. I congratulate the filmmakers, artists, and technicians who have received awards today for excellence in their respective fields. I hope that they would strive further to improve their performance and inspire others to produce better films. With these few words, I wish you all the best in the years to come. Letter from James and Company, Chennai to Messrs. Martin and Company, Madurai. Dear sirs, we have your letter of the 26th instant. We learn with regret that the 4 dozens of knives and forks sent to you by us in our last consignment were defective and could not be sold in the market. We are dispatching today by lorry better substitutes which we believe will be found to be quite satisfactory in all respects. We have thoroughly checked them before dispatching them to you. It is usually our practice to examine the goods before sending them to our customers. Still, such defects do occur. Though we immediately take steps to rectify them, we are well aware that they cause considerably difficulty, annoyance, and inconvenience to our customers. We assure you that such lapses will not recur in future. We thank you for giving us this opportunity to set things right. We hope to be excused this time. We shall give better attention to your orders. We wish to add that because of the effective steps that we propose to take, we are sure there will be no occasion for anyone to complain about our goods hereafter. Yours very truly. Stop.